Simply spread honey on toilet paper, and once you try it, you'll never stop. An elderly gentleman shared this trick with me during my travels, and it instantly became one of my favorites. It's simple, unusual, and surprisingly powerful. Stay until the end. I guarantee you'll thank me later. Start by taking a small container for mixing. Add 2 tablespoons of coffee grounds. This deep, rich scent is a hint of what's to come. Then add honey. Pure honey or syrup will work. Mix well into the coffee until the texture becomes smooth and glossy. If it's too thick, add a few drops of water. You want a rich paste that smells incredible and holds together well. Comment below which city you are watching from. Let's see where everyone is from. Once it's well mixed, set the container aside. Now take a roll of toilet paper. Yes, really. Tear off a small square, about 15 centimeters, and fold it lengthwise in half so it becomes nice, compact, and more flexible. Many rural families have been using versions of this trick for generations, and when I shared it with my family, they were amazed. Roll the folded paper into a tight spiral, like a small wick. Remember, the consistency is key. You can reuse this mixture several times before replacing it. Rate this tip from 0 to 10. I'd love to know what you think. Now apply the honey coffee paste all over the spiral, making sure each layer is well coated. The scent will impress you instantly, sweet, inviting. It's flexible and fun to experiment with. Now the moment you've been waiting for. What's it for? This homemade natural insect repellent is incredibly effective against mosquitoes. Now take a glass bottle. Plastic won't work here because we'll be using a flame later. Carefully place the coated spiral inside the bottle, leaving a piece sticking out at the top. Then pour in a small amount of vinegar, just enough to moisten the base of the paper. This gives the mixture an extra boost of power. Finally, add 20 whole cloves to the bottle. They add a natural spicy scent and enhance the effect. Gently turn the bottle to mix everything, and the fragrance will start to spread. Comment yes if you want to try this at home. Now for the big finale. Take a lighter and light the exposed end of the paper spiral, but don't let it burn completely. Let it smoke slowly, releasing a light, aromatic smoke that fills the air. If you're wondering whether it works, try it at least once, especially on those warm evenings with lots of insects. The scent is inviting, and the results speak for themselves. I've already received messages from friends telling me the next day, "Why didn't I know this sooner?" The mixture creates a powerful aroma that repels insects while filling your space with a cozy and fresh scent. Do you have a similar trick at home? Share it in the comments. If you've made it this far, comment menus Teresa, so I know you're one of us. Like, share, and follow for more natural tips. See you in the next video.